Welcome to Merchandiser Studio Channel.
Organizational structure of garment factory. In a garment factory, the top management consists of the owner CEO, who is responsible for the overall management and strategic direction of the company. They are supported by a board of directors who oversee the management and represent the interests of stakeholders. The production manager oversees the entire production process, ensuring efficiency, quality, and timely delivery of products. The production planning team plans and schedules production activities to meet demand and optimize resources. The quality control team ensures that the products meet quality standards through inspection and testing. The operations manager manages the day-to-day operations of the factory, including facilities, equipment, resources. The maintenance supervisor is responsible for the maintenance and repair of machinery and equipment. The HR manager handles recruitment, employee relations, training, and other human resource functions. They are supported by HR assistants who provide support in various HR functions. The finance department manages financial activities, budgeting, and financial reporting. Accountants handle day-to-day financial transactions, payroll, and other accounting tasks. Administrative staff providing administrative support, record keeping, and office management. The supply chain department manages the sourcing of raw materials, logistics, inventory control. The procurement officer is responsible for purchasing raw materials, machinery, and other necessary supplies. The marketing department develops and implements marketing strategies to promote the company's products. The sales team is responsible for selling the manufactured garments to wholesalers, retailers, consumers. The design department consists of fashion designers who create and develop garment designs. Pattern makers develop patterns based on designs for production. The IT manager manages information technology systems and infrastructure to support the operations of the factory. The compliance officer ensures that the factory adheres to labor laws, safety regulations, and other legal requirements. The quality assurance team ensures that products meet quality standards and compliance requirements. Supervisors and team leaders oversee specific production lines and teams. The workers in this category are involved in the actual manufacturing process: machine operators, production workers. This is a general overview of the organizational structure of a garment factory. The specific roles and titles may vary based on the size and specialization of the factory.